Lionel Messi आखिरकार बार्सिलोना छोड़ रहे हैं after the club announced that an agreement could not be reached on a contract extension due to La Liga spending regulations. बार्सिलोना के साथ 17 सालों में मेसी ने 34 ट्रॉफीज और 6 Ballon d'Ors जीते. And in light of this bittersweet announcement, we are taking a trip down memory lane to look at Messi's 5 best performances on the grandest stage of club football. Number 5. Barcelona vs Bayer Leverkusen 2012 round of 16. मेसी की कैप्टनसी में बार्सिलोना टॉप फॉर्म में थी अगेंस्ट बायर लेवरकुसन इन 2012. इस मैच में बार्सिलोना ने लेवरकुसन को 7-1 से हराया और मेसी यूसीएल की हिस्ट्री में पहले प्लेयर बने टू स्कोर 5 गोल्स इन अ सिंगल गेम. Number 4. Barcelona vs Arsenal 2010 quarter final. After a 2-2 draw in the first leg at the Emirates, Nicklas Bendtner gave the Gunners an early advantage at the Nou Camp और मेसी ने इस सिचुएशन का फायदा उठा के फर्स्ट हाफ हैट्रिक स्कोर किया and then went on to add another in the second 45 to seal Barcelona's spot in the semi-finals. Number 3. Real Madrid vs Barcelona 2011 semi-final. The first leg of El Clasico at the Bernabeu was a chaotic affair from start to finish, with flaring tempers and in-game battles right from the whistle. It was up to Messi to make the difference for Barcelona, and the Argentinian opened the scoring with a volley home from close range before scoring one of the most iconic Champions League goals in history. Messi received the ball at the center circle and went on a mazy run, gliding past the entire Madrid defense and slotted the ball home. The sheer audacity to do that against your most hated rivals left the world in awe of the little man. Number 2. Barcelona vs Bayern Munich 2015 semi-final. इस मैच का पहला गोल आया मेसी के थ्रू in the 77th minute. 3 minutes later, Messi picks the ball up, sends Jerome Boateng to the ground with a dummy before calmly chipping the ball over 6'4" Manuel Neuer to make it 2-0. मेसी ने एक बार फिर अपना जलवा दिखाया और नेमार के गोल को बेहतरीन असिस्ट दिया in stoppage time to remind the world he is still the greatest to ever do it. Number 1. Barcelona vs Manchester United 2011 फाइनल. इस कंपटीशन का सबसे बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस आया 2011 फाइनल में मेसी के बदौलत. The scores were level at the break, but Messi unlocked a whole new level in the second half as he ran circles around United's defense to make the difference once again. Messi put Barcelona in front with a 25-yard rocket before setting up the third goal for David Villa to seal the victory. And as the final whistle blew, it was Messi's magic that had tricked Manchester United once again in the Champions League final. That's it for now, but for more amazing content from the world of auto, sports, lifestyle and entertainment, head across to manslife.in.